Just thank God for her. We love her, and we want to say thank you on tonight. Amen. So as we prepare for their production that they've been working so diligently and so hard on, amen. We want to thank God for them, and we thank God for their parents who put up with this for about 2.5 months to get them here in rehearsals and all the hard work that they put in. Thank God. So we just thank God for them on tonight as they come to us tonight.
Amen, amen, amen. All right.
The baby.
A.W. Tozer teaches us in his book called The Knowledge of the Holy that the most important thing a Christian can do is to think rightly about God. God, in Genesis 1:1, God in Hebrew means Elohim, which is a reference to God's power and might. And Malachi 1:6, Lord in Hebrew is Adonai, which is a reference to the lordship of God. In Exodus 15:26, he's Jehovah Rapha, which means he's our healer. In Genesis 22:13-14, he's Jehovah Jireh, which means he's the Lord our provider. In Genesis 6:24, he's Jehovah Shalom, which means he's the Lord our peace. Without him, the